Welcome back to Dr. George Wellness. In today's session, we're focusing on inner thigh and hip massage gun therapy for pain, relief, and faster muscle recovery. Start by positioning the massage gun on a low to medium speed setting. Gently place it on the inner thigh area. Move slowly, allowing the muscle to relax under the vibration. Avoid direct pressure on sensitive areas and keep the motion controlled. Now, glide the massage gun upward toward the hip joint. This area often holds tension due to prolonged sitting or intense workouts. Use smooth, steady movements to release tight muscles and improve blood circulation. If you feel any discomfort, reduce the intensity or move to a nearby muscle group. The goal is relief, not pain. Continue this motion for about 30 seconds on each side. Focus on breathing deeply to enhance relaxation and muscle recovery. This technique helps reduce soreness, improve flexibility, and support overall mobility. For best results, use this therapy after workouts or at the end of your day. Stay consistent, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next session.